Guys, my name is Kevin Griffith, and this is the Holler Barbecue. Today, I'm gonna be unboxing the new Grilla Grill's Primate Griddle Grill Combo. So sit right there, and let's get to going. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Guys, I'm excited for this one. I've been waiting for a little while. As you can see, I got a shipment from Grilla Grills. This is their new Primate Griddle Grill Combo. I'll mainly be using it for the griddle portion, but it's nice to have a quick grill also. So in this video, I want to unbox it. I want to show you how it comes to you so you can know what to expect. We'll go through unboxing it and see how everything's packed in and just get my first overall impressions of it. I'm going to do an assembly video also, but I think I'm going to split that up because it'll be a super long video if I do it all together. So this video is just going to be focused on how it comes to you, what's in the box, what's it look like, and we'll go from there. So as you can see, the main griddle grill is going to be these two boxes right here. Comes on a nice little pallet just for good transportation purposes. And if you order any accessories or anything, they usually stack it on to cut down on shipping costs, so it all comes together. And I'm assuming that's what this is, but we'll get into that and check those out. All right, let's go ahead and get into this top portion. They shrink wrap it up really nice so everything stays still. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so here's a few extra accessories I got with it. So the first thing is a cover. It's gonna go over it. I think these are around 60 bucks. Oh, I forgot to mention, the Primate itself is $899. All right, so that's the cover. Then I got a couple hats here. A cat hat and then a beanie. It's actually cold right now. I might wear this thing here in a minute. As you know, I don't have much hair keeping my dome warm, so I need to probably put this on. I know it's pretty cold everywhere, so wherever you are, I hope you're staying warm. All right, this is some grease trays. They go in where you drain your grease out on the griddle portion. That way you just fill this up, toss it away. You don't have to worry about cleaning it up. Really good idea. So this is Grilla Grill's new barbecue set. Just an empty box there. Let's take a look. I don't remember how much this set is. I'd have to take a look again, but real nice wood handles. Pretty long. Once again, stuff made from Grilla. They overbuild it, they over-engineer it, which I'm perfectly fine with because I hate buying something and it breaking, a year later. So that's that. It's got tong, spatula, brush. This will get put to use. And then this So I'm going to be converting my Primate to natural gas. And this is the conversion kit that you need to be able to do that. All right, that's all the accessories that I got. So let's go ahead and get into the main show. All right, so as far as shipping goes on this thing, it comes on a big truck. I think XPO is the name of the company that ships. My delivery, it wasn't too bad. With all the cold weather, it was delayed just a little bit. I think the day that this thing left out of Michigan, they had a pretty big snowstorm and got stuck in Illinois. And of course, the whole country's been dealing with snow. So I ordered this on, what was it, February 4th, I believe. And it showed up yesterday, which was the 18th. So not too bad. You know, they advertise 7 to 10 business days for delivery, so it fell within that. As far as damage, this box right here does have a little hole here, but it's packaged. I can feel it's packaged good enough that this doesn't affect anything inside here. The rest of the boxes, I don't really see any damage. So, pretty good shipping. All right, let's get into this first box. Try to get all this cardboard out of your way so you can get a first peek, just the same view that I get. So Grilla is really good about packing. They know that the shippers aren't the best, no matter who you use, FedEx, UPS, any of them. So they engineer most of those problems out and just pack it really well. All right, so this is going to be the base of our panels that we will be putting together later. Yep, everything in here is just basically the bottom cart portion. So as you can see, I'm in my garage right now, just because it's pretty cold out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting the base together in the garage, and then I'll be moving that along with the top portion to the back to finish off when I do the assembly video. But right now we're just going to get stuff out of the box. So, and I just have an old sheet that I'm just going to set all these parts on so that we will be, once we assemble, they'll be ready to go. Now the construction of this is all heavy duty stainless steel. I mean, this is good stuff. It's going to be a very well built cart. So I'll just pull this stuff out and you can look. All right, that is it for this box. They do have this extra packing material just to strengthen the sidewalls of that box and make sure nothing slides around there. So very well packaged. All right, now on to the next box. All right, once again, it's packaged very well. First thing we come to, looks like some instructions. But it says we're using some corrected pages for assembly, pages 9 and 14 through 18. And the current manual replaced by this. So I'm sure this is just an addendum here. So I'll go through all this when I'm doing the assembly. I wanted to bring you around to a different view when I open this thing up. What I'm gonna do is, I'm a one-man band right now trying to do this, so I'm gonna actually cut the box away just so we can get a good look. And I'll have to get it out later anyway. I just wanted to make sure you get a really good view of what we got going on here. So the main griddle and grill basically comes assembled. So you're just building the cart on the bottom. That's all you're doing. All right, so we got our instructions. It's got battery for the lighter. All right, so we'll just go through these boxes one at a time, see what's in them. It's most likely just assembly parts, you know, screws, nuts, bolts. This is our drip tray. That's those little pans I was telling you about. You just put it in there. That way when you fill it up, it's all nasty, you just dump it out. There's our drip tray. Here's our knobs for the front, for our burners. This, I would imagine, yep, as heavy as that is, that is definitely going to be our grill grates. They are extremely heavy. I believe these are 5/16 stainless steel. Yep. You see how nice and thick those are. That's great. This is going to be the, I think they call them flame tamers. When you put your grill grates in, these go over the stainless steel burner tubes. That way you're not dripping grease directly onto your burner. Yep, that's exactly what those are. our propane hose. I was looking for the assembly parts, like the screws and stuff, and I remember the little box over here that was labeled cart that came in the first box with all the bottom cart portion. I thought they were just wheels. Our wheels are in here, but it's also all our screws and stuff. All right, guys, so there's a good look at our actual griddle portion. I wanted to take this out so I could get a look under, but I noticed, so this sucker is screwed in. I'm not sure if this is, I'm sure it's just for shipping, just so that it doesn't, no chance of it going anywhere. And I'm assuming if you're gonna be set up for mostly griddle cooking, you could leave that in. But if you're gonna be switching back and forth pretty regular between griddle and grilling, I'm not sure if I would leave them in or not. We'll see how it goes. All right, so the griddle portion, I do not think that it's as big as my Blackstone, which I have the 36-inch Blackstone. I'll take a quick measurement just to see what the differences is. Now, does that mean it's not good enough? No, because I usually only use a portion of my Blackstone when I'm cooking anyway. This one seems like it might be wider though. That's why I want to take a measurement so you can get a apples to apples comparison of just the griddle portion. Let's take this out. It is extremely heavy, which I'll need that out anyway so I can transport this thing by myself. All right, guys, so that's it for just the unboxing portion. But hey, my first overall impressions is this thing is extremely well built. I think it's gonna last a long time. You know, I have a Weber Summit that I bought quite a few years ago. That thing was like 1,800 bucks. It's extremely well made also. This one's 900, and I'm gonna say that it's probably even built better than that Weber. This thing has a 4-year warranty on it, so you shouldn't have to worry about anything for at least 4 years. Grilla Grills has awesome customer service. If you need anything, they're there. They answer questions. They're pretty quick on everything. So if you don't know Grilla, you need to get familiar with them. All right, guys, so that's it for the unboxing portion of this. I will be shooting a video on the assembly portion and seasoning, I guess. I'll do the whole thing all together. All right, guys, thanks for watching. As always, you got any questions or comments, put them below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and always, holler back.